Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the Circuit Legend set. The day I had shooted the preview, I was very excited, and I am also excited today because I'm going to get these cars in my hand finally out of this package. So here is your first look at that livery first. The Circuit Legend, the car. Look at that drone here. The details on this card are superb. And here's your car. So, shall we open? Yes, we should. And I will try to open this from here without damaging the art. So I'm going to use this as well, just for small cut here and there. Yeah, good. Okay, so this is gonna come out. Well, look at this. The car art is intact. Sorry, that was my dog. And here's your car, guys. Look at this car. We have metal base with all the details over here. Why I'm showing you the base first, because when I'm going to put this on the turntable, you guys won't be able to see this. All the details they put on this are just crazy. And here's your Mustang. Look at that. Isn't this crazy car? And this is quite heavy. It is very heavy. It rolls perfect. So we are going to park it here, just like that. And let's have a look on the turntable. So here is your closer look on this RTR. Look at that tail lights, and the number plate says Type S and RTR on the back. We don't have Mustang logo on this. I really like the mismatched wheels. In the front we have 5-spoke, and in the back we have this amazingly detailed disc wheel. I really like how they created the window on the back. And we have Ford logos on the side, Nitro on the side. The profile is so good, and see, the front is so aggressive and beautiful, especially the focus lights they put on the front of this car. I mean, yeah, this is sick. And of course you can see the Type S on the top as well. This is an amazing Mustang that I'm going to add in my collection. Lucky me. Let's move to the next one. Okay, so initially I was thinking that I'm going to open these cars sequence wise, but now I have changed my mind and I'm going to open this. This is amazing Porsche. We have seen this Porsche a couple times in Hotwheels, also in other brands as well, but we have never saw this particular car, this particular Circuit Legend car. Now let's rip this open. So I will use the blade again. Yeah, it works fine. It works good. It works really well. Actually, somehow these cards matter to me a lot. They just arrived in India, and see, this is intact. These cars just arrived in India, and somehow I was able to manage to get one, as I told in the preview, and I was lucky enough to get to save the full set. Look at this base. We have all the details over here. This is awesome. And we have plastic inserts over here. Does this roll? Yes, it does roll very well. So let's park this one next to the Mustang. Here is your Porsche. I really like that they created this kind of front lights with the plastic inserts. It's of course the part of the window or the windshield. The back looks good with the exhaust details and all the tail light detailing, the 23 on the side, the 23 on the top and in the front as well. We have Porsche logo on it. And this actually, I'm not very big fan of this Porsche particularly, but even after that I have two of these, like one from the Hotwheels and one from the Majorette one is a little bit bigger, of course. This is maybe true to the size of 164. We know Hot Wheels create that. I like this size. I like this color. I like how they created the profile on this. The aerodynamic details are crazy on this. It's awesome. Awesome. Now let's move to the next one. For these cars, somehow even my inbox is flooded. People are asking me to get one for them, and I'm telling them that I only secured one somehow. Man, I'm really happy and really excited about this set. Initially, I was buying this from the international market, and it was costing me like more than double the price I got this in my country. But now somehow the order was cancelled and I was not able to get my set, and then later I have received this, and this is just beyond perfect. Let's open this as well in the same way we open the other two cars. So yeah, this Pandem is, look at this. So this is actually a second Pandem Subaru in the premium line that I have got. The first one I have is from the very old set. It's in blue. I don't remember the name of that set, but I have that car in blue. And this is just beautiful. It's the same casting, I guess. Does this roll? Yes. All Hot Wheels rolls perfectly. Let's put this here and park it here. Actually, put this here because next I'm going to open this one. But before that, let's have a review, closer review for this on the turntable. I think this is one of the cleanest Pandem or the car from the Circuit Legend series from this particular set, because there are very limited liveries on this, and that is all Pandem. That's all. There is no other livery on this particular. We have Grady on the front as well, the Subaru logo. This is like clean white car, and truly these kind of cars looks great with this black wheels, 10-spoke black wheels. The spoiler is of course plastic, but I think this spoiler is better than the previous releases, and I'm digging this one. This is beautiful car in a beautiful color. So next we have the number 5 out of 5. It's a Porsche 911 GTR 992. So I'm not sure if this is the new casting for 2025, because I think there was one released in basics also, but this is totally different. This one is in the Gulf livery, and it is crazy actually. Look at that. Look at the car. Let's rip this open as well. Right, because that's what we do. And we will try to open this one as well without damaging the card a lot. This is tough, but you need to be patient with cards while opening this. See, this looks good, right? Good condition. And here is your base for this Porsche. Wow, this is just plain with the aerodynamic details, and look at this beauty. The carbon fiber on the top and everything is sick. Yes, it does roll very well. And let's park this one here instead, or like this, much better I guess. No, so let's move it from here and park it here. Now it looks perfect. Let's have a closer look on this. So here's the crazy part about this car. I love Porsches, I love Gulf livery, I love GT3 cars, and this car have all the three elements in it. Especially the way Hot Wheels created it, they master it. Look at that carbon fiber detailing going from front to back till the spoiler. The interior with the orange. Actually, the interior is not orange exactly, it's the roll cage. It's the Gulf color, you know. The sides profile are really well with the Gulf logo on the side. The rear is so dope. It is so crazy, so good, man. This particular casting, I know why people are getting crazy to get this one and they are not getting it. And again, I'm going to brag about it that I'm lucky. This is so dope, man. And last but not the least, the most epic, the most hyped, the most desired. This is the first premium car in the Circuit Legends series or any other premium series that we got. This is the first car, and somehow luckily we are getting this Ferrari 499p. I was very excited at the moment when I saw these cars. Look at that Ferrari badge. There are no badges on the other cars, but only on this Ferrari. Wow. Look at that. I was very excited, and still I am. Let's open this up. This is the car that people are going to scalp. Scalpers are going to make money out of it. I don't support scalping. If I'm going to find another set, I'm definitely either going to keep it guarded in my collection or for myself, or I'm going to give it to a friend of mine actually. Look at that base. A perfect car with a perfect base. And this is also very heavy. And this looks awesome. Awesome. I've actually never imagined that I would be able to get this on my hand. And now I have it. I'm really, really very happy. This rolls perfect. And let's place it here and have a closer look on the Ferrari. If you would have told me, or someone have told me a few years back, that Ferrari is going to come back and they are going to be back with such a bang, with so many good cars, and the car like this Ferrari, man, I would not have believed it. And by the time Hot Wheels is mastering the way they are creating these cars, this car is actually created in 3 different pieces, and the alignment is so good, so good. All the details on it, the Ferrari logos on it, the 51 on the front, the profile from the side or the top, the carbon fiber detailings on the top and on the rear are just crazy, especially the color of the car, the signature red and yellow. Man, I can speak about this the whole time, man. But I should not. I should not. The shell livery on the side looks great. It looks just amazing. This Circuit Legend set is actually what you call legendary. Man, I'm hyped. I'm excited. I'm still excited even after opening this. This is beautiful set. Beautiful set. Rarely we get sets like this in the Hot Wheels. Dope. So guys, that was your showcase for today, our unboxing for today. And let me know in the comments which one of these cars you like the most. To me, it is a very hard selection actually. Very hard selection. I won't be able to select any one of these out of the 5. All these are like better than another. But I really like top 3. If I have to choose, I'll choose these 3 cars. I mean, just look at the Mustang and then this Porsche and then Ferrari, of course. But we cannot ignore these 2 as well, right? That's why I said it is very tough to find out which one is favorite and which one is not. But let me know in the comments which one is your favorite or the first top 3 for you. Don't forget to subscribe. There are more videos coming. Very cool videos coming on the way. They are all on the way. So see you in the next one. Bye-bye.